am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Okay, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, quizzes, and for complete course help on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: MS Word, MS Access, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, writing, English, economics, maths, Java, Python, C++, and many more courses. Okay, if you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade and very reasonable prices. Okay, my WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Exam. Starting with the summary worksheet, group the QTR1, QTR2, QTR3, QTR4 and summary sheets. Okay, first we will group the sheets. Okay, QTR1, QTR2, press Control, QTR3, QTR4, press Control, and you can click on all sheet this. Okay, with the summary worksheet displayed, fill the content and formatting in cell A1 across all worksheet. Okay, click on fill series, click on across worksheet and then click all, then press OK. With the summary worksheet display, fill the content and formatting in range A2 to A10 across all worksheet. Okay, you can select this range A2 to A10, go to the fill series in home tab and then across worksheet, then all, then click OK. Ungroup the worksheet, simply click on the sheets, right click on this and ungroup all worksheet. Okay, now moving on question number 2. Group the QTR1 through QTR4 worksheet. Use auto sum to simultaneously total the values of the data in the range B3 to E11. Simultaneously format the ranges B3 to E3 and B11 to E11 using the counting format. Basically, in this question, group the QTR1 through QTR4 worksheet. Okay, we will group our worksheet QTR1, QTR2, QTR3, QTR4. Press Control and we will click on this all sheet, and all sheets QTR1 to QTR4 will be grouped, and use auto sum to simultaneously total the value of the data in the range B3 to E11. Okay, first we will click on QTR1, press Control and click on QTR2. Okay, again QTR3, QTR4. Okay, then use auto sum. You can select this B11, B3 to E11. Okay, click on auto sum. Oh, sorry, we will select this range B3 to E11. Okay, and then B11 to E11, B3 to B11 and then B11 to E11. You can select this range. Okay, then click on Journal, then apply counting format. Okay, tab monthly sales in cell A11. Click on cell A11 and then we will tab monthly sales in cell A11. Monthly sales. Apply bold to cell A11. Click on cell A11 and then apply bold. Apply the top and double bottom border for the range B11 to E11. Okay, we will select this range B11 to E11. B11 to E11. Then go to the bottom borders and then bottom border, top and double bottom border, top and double bottom border will be applied. Ungroup the worksheet, right click on QTR4 and then we will ungroup sheets. Question is completed now. Okay, with the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell B2 to the range E2 to E11. In the QTR1 worksheet, include the screen tip first quarter. Okay, Basically in this question where the summary worksheet is active, click on summary worksheet and then insert hyperlink in cell B2, click on cell B2 and right click on this, click on link. Okay, then click on go to your 1 and then tap the cell references is E2 to E11 and include the screen tape is, click on screen tape and screen tape is first quarter and then press OK. Okay, then again press OK. This is done now. And where the summary worksheet is active, insert hyperlink in cell C2 to the range E2 to E11 in the QTR2 worksheet, include the screen tape second quarter. Okay, now we will click on cell C2, right click on this, click on link and then click on place in this document. Okay, QTR2 select and then we will tap cell references E2 to E11. Cell references is E2 to E11 cell references and then click on screen tape. Screen tape is second quarter. You can tap second quarter and screen tape. Okay, then click on OK. Now with the summary worksheet is active, insert hyperlink in cell D2 to the range E2 to E11 and the QTR3 worksheet includes screen tape third quarter. Okay, basically in this question we will click on cell D2, right click on this, click on link and then click place this documents, then click on QTR3. Okay, tap the cell references is E2 to E11 and cell references. Click on screen tape. Screen tape is third quarter is screen tape. Then click on OK. Then again click on OK. Now with the worksheet is active, insert a hyperlink in cell E2 to the range E2 to E11. QTR4 worksheet includes screen tape fourth quarter. Basically in this question we will click on cell E2. Click on cell E2, right click on this, click on link. Select QTR4 and then range is E2 to E11. Tap of cell reference is E2 to E11 and then click on screen tips and then tap 4 quarters in screen tips. Tap 4 quarters in screen tips. Okay, 4 quarters in screen tips. Press OK. Again press OK. All link will be added here. Click the hyperlink in cell B2. Click on cell B2. Okay, this question is done now. Select the summary year and notes worksheet, hide the selected worksheet. Okay, we will select summary years and note worksheet and hide the selected worksheet. Select summary, press Ctrl years and notes and then right click on this and then we will hide this worksheet. Okay, with the QTR4 sheet active, and hide the summary and year worksheet. Okay, with the QTR4 sheet is active, and hide the summary and year worksheet. Right click on this and hide summary and years, then press OK. Summary and year sheet will be unhide. This is done now. Now moving on, next question is open 3 new windows within the workbook so that all 4 windows display the summary worksheet. Okay, open 3 new windows within the worksheet so that all 4 windows display the summary worksheet. Click on view tab, click on new window, click on view tab and then click on new window, then again click on new view tab, click on new window. 3 windows will be open and then arrange the window of the active workbook so that they are tiled on screen. Okay, arrange the window of the active workbook. Click on view tab, click on arrange all window of active workbook, press OK. This question is done now. In cell B3 on the summary worksheet, insert a relative reference to the cell E3 on the QTR1 worksheet. Use the fill handler to copy formula through B10. Okay, in cell B3 on the summary worksheet, insert active reference B3 E3, sorry, active reference to E3 on the QTR 1 worksheet. Okay, press is equal to and then go to the QTR 1 worksheet and then click on cell E3. Press is equal to, go to the QTR 1, then click on cell E3. Then press enter. Okay, this is good now. Copy down the function through B10. Okay, this question is completely done now. Now in cell F3, insert 3D formula to sum the value of E3 across QTR1, QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4 sheets. Basically this question we will click on cell F3 and insert a 3D formula to sum the value of cell E3 across QTR1, QTR2, QTR3. Click on cell F3, press is equal to, go to the QTR1 and then click on cell E3 in QTR1. Click on cell E3 in QTR1, then press enter. And go to the QTR2, click on cell E3, QTR3, click on cell E3, then QTR4 and then click on cell E3 and then press enter. Okay, copy the function F4 to F10. Okay, copy the function F4 to F10. This question is completely done now. Now moving on next question. On the year worksheet, use the consolidate tools to the select and add the range A2 to E11 from the QTR1 worksheet, the range A2 to E11 from the QTR2 worksheet, the range A2 to E11 from the QTR3 worksheet and the A2 to E11 for the QTR4 worksheet. Select the top row and left column label and then click OK. On the year worksheet, use consolidate tools to select and add 3 at this range. Click on view tab, sorry, click on data tab. Okay, click on view tab, click on text. Here is one second. Okay, here is consolidate. Click on data tab and go to the consolidate QTR1 for A2 to E11, then add QTR2 for A2 to E11 and then click on add QTR3 for A2 to E11, A2 to E11, then click on add, and for QTR4 A2 to E11, then top row left column press OK. This question is OK. Auto fit the width of column A to N. Select column A to N and then go to the home tab and click on format. Click on format, then click auto fit column width. Apply center horizontal alignment to the range B1 to N9. You can select this first range, go to the home tab and then go to the alignment tab, then apply center horizontal alignment. Bold the selected range B1 to N1. Go to the home tab and then click on bold. Select the range B10 to N10 and then apply total cell style. Okay, first we will select this range and go to the cell style and then we will apply total cell style. First we will enter this range and then go to the cell style and then apply total cell style on this range. Okay, question is done now. Moving on next question. In cell G3, on the E09 annual sales workbook, create a formula to link to cell F3 to the open E09 online sales workbook. Change the reference to cell F3 to a relative cell reference and then use the fill handle to copy the formula through G10. Basically in this question we will click on cell G3 on the E09 annual sales workbook. Press is equal to okay, and then use fill and copy the formula. Press is equal to go to the 09 annual sales sheet. Okay, press is equal to and then go to the okay, click on cell okay, and then we modify this F3, then press enter and the copy down through G10. Okay, question is completed now. Now moving on, next question. Trace dependence for cell C3 on the summary worksheet. Click on cell C3, go to the view tab, go to the data tab, the view tab, data formulas, go to the formulas and trace dependence. Click on trace dependence for I3, click on cell I3 and then go to the formula tab and then click on trace dependence. Okay, simultaneously remove all of trace arrows, remove arrows. Okay, you can see this I have done 90% of this exam. For remaining question, if you want to do it for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, Java, C++, Python and many more courses. Please contact me if you need help in any courses. I will provide you A+ grade in your all courses and I will give you very reasonable prices. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandwich, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and schools. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. If you do not able to do this course or assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and I will handle your complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. To my art student, best of luck. Thank you so much to my art student. Best of luck.